10-year-old girl killed in central Kingston.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A 10-year-old girl was shot and killed by unknown assailants in central Kingston early this morning. She has been identified as Jazaria Tyrrell of Fleet Street. She was also a student at the Holy Family Primary and Infant School. Reports from the Central Police are that about 2:50 a.m., Jazaria and their relatives were asleep at home when a relative reportedly smelled gasoline and heard strange sounds on the roof. The relative went to investigate and was allegedly pounced upon by intruders who attempted to gain entry to the house whilst firing at the occupants. When the gunfire subsided, it was discovered that Jazaria was shot. She was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Investigators are now appealing to members of the community or anyone with information in regards to the incident to come forward. Tyrrell is the third person to be killed in central Kingston since Tuesday afternoon. Police reports are that in the first incident that occurred approximately 12:45 p.m. yesterday, 40-year-old Alton Reed was shot by unknown assailants in the community. Reed is from Rosemary Lane in central Kingston. The second incident occurred at about 7:30 p.m. In that incident, 31-year-old shoemaker Akeem Cunningham was killed along Rum Lane.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!